Meaning of inline skate.
Inline skate.
Inline skate.
Inline skate.
Inline skate. Inline skating is a recreational activity that involves skating on inline skates, which are also known as rollerblades. The skates have a series of wheels in a single line, rather than the traditional quad-wheel design. The activity has gained popularity due to its relative ease compared to ice skating or traditional roller skating, and the ability to perform tricks and stunts. It's a low-impact form of exercise that can improve cardiovascular health and balance while being fun and enjoyable. Inline skating is commonly used for transportation, recreation, and competitive sports.